Hi, I am Anas Rajab from Gaza, Palestine. Our startup called El Mazad, it means auction by Arabic. We are an online marketplace for sell and buy domain names and websites through auction. We are targeting international audience, but we are concentrating the Arab users. And we hope to be Flippa for Middle East. Arab domain owners and websites try to trading their products through English platforms, but they found it expensive without achieving desired price because the different culture and language between there and the audiences. Because the different culture between them and the audiences there, and the audience in English marketplace don't value Arabic content. They tried to find an existing community for Arabs to sell their domains and websites. They went to Arab forums and Facebook groups, and you know it is not a safe method to sell or buy any online services. From this case, we are providing or we are creating our marketplace with a high secure platform with payment methods and supporting Arabic language.
Too loud. Put it down.
Sound okay? Thanks. Yes. Okay. And our vision is to collect all Arab domain owners in one marketplace. Thanks. Here is our marketplace. Here is our market size. We are talking about 284 million domains registered in the first quarter in this year, with an increasing 18 million domains per year, and no data available for MENA region because it is untapped market and we are the first mover in the market. Here are our main features. Our market is fully responsive, so you can use it from different screen sizes, and we are supporting secure payment methods such as ESCO and PayPal. Here is we are listings in our marketplace is totally free. And we are the lowest commission in the field, and we are supporting Arabic language with English language. Flippa.com is the lead of the market or the lead of English markets, and they are established in 2009. Okay. They are established in 2009. In 6 years, they are getting more than $155 million over sales just from English marketplace. This is just one example from our market. Here is our business model. We are taking 5% commission from every process done through our marketplace and taking $10 for feature listing. After each 50,000 users, we will just take $3 as a listing fee. Here is our competitive advantage with the competitors in the market, and we are the pioneers in the language and free listings. This is our marketing strategy to reach our target audience, and we are looking for 100,000 users in the first year. I am Anas Rajab from Palestine, former startup support center in Microsoft Jordan. And our co-founder is an outsourcing software development company. Here we are looking for $100,000 for first year as investment to cover the cost, and it is billing as the figure. And our milestones, we are launched our MVP 3 weeks ago, and here is our achievement. Thank you.
All right. Any, mashallah, and a good presentation. But if you see me coming towards you, and if you don't want me to hug you and kind of very tightly hug you, just finish it. Cut it. Say, sorry, I'm out of time. I'm very happy to listen to questions. That's it. Don't do it again. For the next ones, I'm not going to allow it. Stop doing that. Yeah. Event you make. Any comments? You ate the time, people will comment on you. That's what you don't want to do. Any dying comments?
It just wasn't a 2.5-minute presentation.
Yani,
It's a good
do it,
presentation.
yani.
If you have 6-7 minutes, it's a good presentation. I like it.
You just don't have it. Yani.
But just don't scream that much.
Yeah. Any dying comments? Number of users? Anything? No, I mean you have to be precise in the information you will deliver in 2.5 minutes. Yeah, if you can dump everything, it's already there. We know. Okay.
I think you were fine. You just have accented English. But sometimes you lost me, and I just wish I could find something on the screen, like, oh, this is what he's talking about. So, but overall, not bad. Good job.
We trust you. You will do a better job, but be prepared more. Cut yourself. Don't worry. It's gonna work. Yeah, it's okay. You spent 4 minutes and then.